about to walk right out of this awful place. I'm gonna scream real loud in my boss's face. I really wish I could burn this place down like an office space. I might end up going to jail. Yes, I just might catch a case. Put the printer in the parking lot and crush